आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello. In this question, what they have said is the half-life period of a substance is what 50 minutes at a certain initial concentration. Now, when the concentration is reduced to one half of its initial concentration, then the half-life period is found to be what 25 minutes. Now they are saying that calculate the order of the reaction. So let's say we are assuming the initial concentration A01, which is equal to A. Here we are assuming to initial concentration to be A, and for this particular initial concentration T half 1 is given as what? Nothing but the 50 minutes. Now what they are saying in the other part, the initial concentration, when the concentration is reduced to one half of its initial concentration, then half-life is what? Which means the A02 here we are writing, which is equal to what? Which is the half of the initial concentration, which means which will be A by 2, and for this particular process T half 2, that is given to what? 25 minutes. Okay. Now, what relation we are going to use to find out the order of the reaction? Since we know that T half is what? That is the inversely proportional to concentration raised to power 1 minus n minus 1. Okay, so this is nothing but the concentration raised to power n minus 1. Now, what we'll do, if we write the for the first T half 1, so for T half 1, what is going to be the relation? That is going to be 1 by concentration is what? A raised to power n minus 1. Let's say this is your equation number 1. Now, if we write the expression for T half 2, so for T half 2, that is going to be what? 1 by A by 2 raised to power n minus 1. Okay, this is your equation number 2. Now, when you divide what we'll do? Divide equation 2 by equation 1. So, what you'll get? You'll get nothing but T half 2 divided by the T half 1. So it will comes out to be what? First we'll substitute the values. So then what you'll get? You will get 1 by 1 by A by 2 raised to power n minus 1 multiplied by C. Why? Because the other term will be 1 upon concentration of A raised to power n minus 1. When you'll come in the numerator part, it will be what? A raised to power n minus 1. Okay. Now, when you'll simplify this, then what you are going to get is, see, after simplifying, we'll get it to be like this. A by 2 concentration will be what? Nothing but the A raised to power n minus 1 divided by A raised to power n minus 1 divided by the 2 raised to power n minus 1. Right? We have simplified it in this way. So when this will go into the numerator section. So what it will be? It will be nothing but the this is what 1 by A type of something. So you will get what? You will get T half 2. So T half 2 is what here? 25 minutes, right? This is T 25 divided by T half 1 is what? That is 50 minutes. And in this particular scenario, it is what? 2 raised to power n minus 1. Now when you will divide this, so what you will get? Therefore, 25 divided by 50, which will be what? Nothing but the 1 by 2. So this is what? Nothing but 2 raised to power n minus 1. Now we have to substitute the value in such a way that it should be what? It will comes out to be 1 by 2. Okay. So if we substitute the value of n to be equal to 1 over here. Okay. If we substitute the value of n to be 1 over here, then what you will get? You will get, see, put n equal to 1. So when you put n equal to 1, then what you will get? You will get 2 raised to power 1 minus 1, which is 2 raised to power 0. That is not going to be our answer. But what happens if you put n equal to 2? So for n equal to 2, you will get this to be 2 raised to power n minus 1, which means 2 minus 1. Okay, so which will comes out to be what? Which will comes out to be nothing but the 2 raised to power 1, which will give you a value of 2. But we don't want this this is this to be our value. So you will put n equal to 0. When you will put n equal to 0, so in that case, what you will get? 2 raised to power 0 minus 1, which is nothing but the 2 raised to power minus 1, which is nothing but the 1 by 2. Okay, so we are getting our answer here. So when uh, uh, here n is going to be what? N is going to be 0. So now they have said that we have to find the order of the reaction. So here n is nothing but the in the t half 1 by a raised to power n minus 1. So here in this equation, the n is nothing but here we are writing n represents the order of the reaction. N represents order of reaction. So here order of reaction will comes out to be what? It will be 0. So order of reaction will be equal to 0. Okay, I hope this answer your question. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।